Lowering cholesterol levels without the use of pills. When a patient's cholesterol level is elevated, the risk of a heart attack, artery hardening, and stroke increases at the same time. At least, that's how it's always been stated. Then it's usually said, you need to lower your cholesterol. Many doctors prescribe cholesterol-lowering drugs for this purpose. According to Dr. Volker Schmiedel, Chefarzt of the Internal Department at the Habichtswald Hospital in Kassel, many patients are prescribed medications too quickly, which can promote the recurrence of other diseases. Natural foods, on the other hand, can lower the cholesterolspiegel. Untreated vegetable oils are an example of this. This category includes olive, sunflower, and rapeseed oils. The phytosterols in the oils prevent cholesterol absorption from food as well as its transfer into the bloodstream. Apples can also help to lower cholesterol naturally. The pectins found in apples ensure that bile acid is bound in the intestines. However, in order to form new bile acid, cholesterol from the blood must be used. As a result, this is reduced. When consumed in moderation, alcohol can also help lower cholesterol. As a result, a glass of red wine or beer raises HDL cholesterol, which acts as an antagonist to the harmful LDL cholesterol. Soybeans, tomatoes, green fruits and vegetables, and legumes are also cholesterol-lowering foods. Consumption of onion plants, as well as fresh fruits and vegetables, can be beneficial to one's health. Psyllium husks, last but not least, should be mentioned. Other changes to your diet. Getting the full benefit of these foods requires other changes to your diet and lifestyle. One of the most beneficial changes is limiting the saturated and trans fats you eat. Saturated fats, such as those in meat, butter, cheese and other full-fat dairy products, raise your total cholesterol. Decreasing your consumption of saturated fats to less than 7% of your total daily calorie intake can reduce your LDL cholesterol by 8 to 10%. Trans fats, sometimes listed on food labels as partially hydrogenated vegetable oil, are often used in margarines and store-bought cookies, crackers and cakes. Trans fats raise overall cholesterol levels. The Food and Drug Administration has banned the use of partially hydrogenated vegetable oils by January 1, 2021. In the description, we linked flax seeds that will help you to easily lower your cholesterol. We hope you will give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. We look forward to see you in the next video.